The REDMAGIC 10 Pro 5G is here to redefine what a true gaming smartphone should be, and it's already making headlines across the tech world, delivering groundbreaking performance, next-gen cooling, and futuristic features that set it apart from every other flagship phone of 2025. So let's break down everything that makes this device the ultimate choice for hardcore gamers and power users alike. First off, the performance, because that's where the REDMAGIC 10 Pro truly shines. Powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, clocking speeds of up to 4.32 gigahertz, making it one of the fastest processors ever put into a smartphone, and paired with up to 24 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and an incredible 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1 Pro storage. This phone is an absolute beast when it comes to multitasking, gaming, and heavy-duty performance, achieving up to a 45% performance boost compared to previous models, which means smooth gameplay, faster app switching, and lightning-quick file transfers. But what good is raw performance without a stunning display to showcase it? And here the REDMAGIC 10 Pro pulls out all the stops with a massive 6.85-inch BOE AMOLED display featuring 1.5K resolution at 2688 by 1216 pixels, an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness of 2000 nits, offering unmatched clarity, vibrant colors, and responsiveness whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing. With ultra-narrow bezels and a jaw-dropping 95.3% screen-to-body ratio, the immersive edge-to-edge design makes this smartphone a dream for gamers, while the under-display camera ensures uninterrupted visuals without notches or punch holes, giving you a truly futuristic experience. Now let's talk about cooling, because performance is nothing if the phone can't handle heat, and the REDMAGIC 10 Pro takes cooling technology to a whole new level with its ICX cooling system, featuring an advanced 11-layer thermal structure that includes aerospace-grade aluminum, graphene insulation, liquid metal with superior thermal conductivity of 80W/MK, and most importantly, a high-speed 23,000 RPM turbofan with RGB lighting that not only looks amazing, but ensures consistent heat dissipation during long, demanding gaming sessions. This innovative cooling system means you can play graphics-intensive titles like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile at maximum settings without worrying about frame drops, overheating, or throttling, making the REDMAGIC 10 Pro one of the most stable gaming phones ever built. Of course, no gaming phone would be complete without a massive battery, and REDMAGIC has gone above and beyond by packing in a huge 7,050 mAh battery that easily delivers up to 52 hours of usage on a single charge. And when it's time to refuel, the 100W fast charging capability, combined with Qualcomm Quick Charge 5, ensures you can get back into game in record time. To add to this, the phone includes a charge separation mode that prevents battery overheating during active gaming, extending battery health while also ensuring safety in extreme conditions, something gamers will truly appreciate when pushing their phone to the limit. But what sets the REDMAGIC 10 Pro apart is not just its hardware, but also its integration with AI, as it comes with Google Gemini AI baked right in, offering real-time translation, AI-assisted music generation, advanced photo editing, and multitasking features that transform the smartphone into more than just a gaming device. It becomes a productivity powerhouse. Imagine gaming, creating, and working on the same device without compromise, thanks to AI tools that optimize every task. When it comes to audio and haptics, the phone delivers with symmetrical dual stereo speakers enhanced by DTS, X Ultra, and 4D vibration, giving gamers a console-like immersive experience, while the touch-sensitive shoulder triggers with 520 Hz sampling rate ensure precise and responsive control, giving competitive gamers the edge they need in fast-paced scenarios. On the camera side, while photography is not the main highlight of a gaming phone, the REDMAGIC 10 Pro still impresses with a triple-lens system headlined by a 50MP main sensor, complemented by an ultra-wide lens and macro capabilities, and with its under-display selfie camera, the phone provides a futuristic and clean look while maintaining usable selfie and video call performance. Add 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7 support, and advanced software optimizations, and you have a smartphone that not only dominates in gaming, but also stands tall as a complete flagship device in its own right. To sum it up, the REDMAGIC 10 Pro is more than just another gaming phone. It's a technological marvel designed for those who demand the best in speed, performance, display, cooling, and innovation, packed into a futuristic design that turns heads and raises the bar for what's possible in the smartphone industry. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone who wants the most powerful phone available, the REDMAGIC 10 Pro delivers on every front, making it one of the most exciting smartphones of 2025. So, are you ready to experience gaming and performance like never before? The REDMAGIC 10 Pro is here to prove that the future of smartphones is not just about specs, but about a complete experience. And this one delivers it all. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest smartphones, only on TechVerse.